not today. For today, we're going to make meatballs, spinach, cream cheese. So these are the seasonings that we use for our dish. So you can make it. And this. After you put all the seasonings in your meat in a bowl, you're going to mix them up with your hands, making sure that you can see a little bit of the seasoning but not too much. And then making them into not too big or not too small balls for your meatballs. So you have to put enough meat in your hand to roll it up. Making sure that's the same size as the rest that you made. I've made 10 of them. This is my 11th one. We're making sure that they're the same size of these. So what you do, make sure you roll them up good and check them to the rest of your meatballs. You just keep going until your meat is gone.
Well, I'm gonna make the spinach. Yeah.
Okay, we're going to make sure we have the
And
pasta.
yeah, the meatballs looking pretty good. Yeah, she doing. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Make sure they're the same size.
Yeah.
Okay, now after you have all of them that you need, and you have more meat, you're gonna keep going as much as you can, getting enough meat for your meatballs, rolling them in your hand. And sometimes when you first start with your meat, you're gonna need to punch it with your fist. Should be enough. I'm going to roll this together. If it's a little too big, what you need to do is roll it out like this and hard it like that. So you can have the same size meatballs, making sure they're the same size of half meat. Then grab one and start rolling. Then after that, you're going to check if it's the same size as the other one and put it on your pan that has covered with foil. Okay, making sure that this is good size. Too small, we're going to add some meat to it to make sure that's the same size as all your other ones, like I said. Now I'm going to add some meat. Little too small. Making sure that this is perfect. Maybe this is how much meat that you will need for about medium, to make sure that it's the same size as your other ones. About this size to make sure. And check your other ones to make sure it's the same size, how I said earlier. Now we're going to keep going until you get to the end of the pan. Making sure they're the same size. This is the last of my meat.
Some nice meatballs.
They look good.
Them are big.
Which one?
These are bigger.
Gonna fix those. Picking this. I'm gonna put the rest that I messed up on back into the bowl. If you mess up, just put them back in the bowl and half them, how I said a few minutes ago. Then roll them into balls to check if they're the same size as the other ones.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna half this one, making sure that it's the same size. Like I said, sometimes you have to punch your fist into your meat. And this is my last meatball. Make sure you fill up your pan like this. And now we're gonna see what we're gonna do with these.
Oh yeah. So now, you know, this is what I like to do. You know, just come over here and sprinkle a little bit of the seasoning on it. Feel what I'm saying? Oh yeah?
It needs to be really good seasoning.
Oh yeah. Ooh! Ooh! Looking like over here. So we're looking like. Put it in the oven.
Let's go.
Excuse me. So now it's all done. It's looking real good. So we just want to add some Parmesan cheese to it. Give you a little shine, Mama Wayne. And then give you a little shine. Hey, this your mom. This is too much. This is.
Yeah, this was supposed to be gone.
Yeah, bro. Why you messing up the thing, the order?
I gotta have red pepper.
She always gotta have red pepper. So
I thought that was
this is
wrong.
what it's looking like right here.
Yeah. Let's get our box. Let's try to get some spinach.
Red pepper compliments of Domino's.
Yeah. We don't waste nothing right here. All right, take a bite.